Hey guys, in this video I'm sharing how to make your old silver look like a new one. So the things which you require is a bowl which consists of water, a toothbrush, a baking soda and an aluminium foil. The first thing you need to do is you need to heat the water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you get to know the water is heated, add the aluminium foil into it. Then add baking soda into the water. Once you see the water boiling, add the silver into it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Off the gas and let the water cool down. Once the water cools down, with the help of a brush, clean the silver to take off rest of the dirt. Once the cleaning is done, you can see a lot of changes between the two chains. So this is how we can clean the silver chains or silver vessels. Hope you like watching this video, and I also hope this video has helped you out. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.